ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka jingwan lin shop jong ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 kala punsuki no ye ka jing tokit halor ka jing no jerse bamsam haki artli ki autonomous district council kata hajantia hills bat hagaro hills Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla ubapai katna district council affairs habaya kran bat ka Batisi TV uliat ho bayagani ke jing tokit la binshat ha ke directorate of local audit bat ongru bahado menta ka jing tokit kadang yan.
Yes, as you know that the last year that the government have assigned that the Directorate of Local Audit Fund should be audited the account of the district council of Karvis council. But as of today, due to this pandemic, where as you know that there is a curtailment of the working of the office, the movement of officers from here to there, so it is take time. But I hope that very soon that they will able to submit the report, if not the full report, maybe the primary report, so that what action is to be taken beyond that. Don't even see in any audit report, in any allegation which they have alleged. So you have to see that from where it started, how it happened. So you cannot take it only from the surface. They have to dig deep. That's why the Chief Minister in his wisdom has told that it's better to look deep than to look at the surface. The opposition will say whatever they like, but it's the duty of the government that to keep its best to the people. So I will not able to say whether I will satisfy the opposition or anybody, but we have to satisfy that whatever thing is being done, it is done within the parameter, within the preamble of the law, so that and moreover, it will clear the mind of the people. Let's see when the report comes. Inquiry have been conducted. Sometimes we as the people, we always see the thing according to what we have, what we see. But working in the government, it is not that so simple. And if everything is being told that you do this, it is not easy. It is not mandatory. That means we have to disband all the organization. If you didn't trust the local audit fund, if you didn't trust the CAG, if you didn't trust the other organization, that means what's the use? We have disbanded. So it is better, let us have the faith in the institution. The problem with the present society is that for something or other, we try to, before any proof, before any audit or before any inquiry is conducted, we prejudge everything. That is the problem. So, and I must say that in any dispute, whether you like or you don't like, even if in the judgment of Honorable Court or Supreme Court, the people who lost, they will also feel that there is something which beyond nothing. So this is part of life, but we have to see the larger interest.